Wait, imagine this. You are in a coffee shop. The cashier smiles and says, "Hi, how's it going?" And your mind goes completely blank.
Yes, you panic. You forget all your English. You just say, fine, and then silence.
Awkward silence. Everyone is looking at you. You just want to disappear.
If that sounds like you, don't worry. You are in the right place.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak English Smarter channel.
We're so happy you're here.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex.
And today we're going to talk about the most common English for daily conversation.
Yes, the real English that people use every day, at the coffee shop, at work, at school, with friends, with neighbors, everywhere.
And don't worry, we will use very simple English, slow, clear, and natural.
Like two friends talking, because that's what we are. Smiles.
So in this video, you will learn how to say hello in different ways, how to answer "How are you?", how to make small talk, how to keep a conversation going, and how to say goodbye naturally.
Ready? Let's start.
Okay, Alex, let's start with something very basic. How do people say hello in daily life?
Good question. Many learners only know hello.
Which is correct, but in real life, we don't always say hello.
Right. We often say, hi, hey, hey there, what's up?
Yes, but be careful, what's up does not mean what is above your head.
Exactly. It just means, how are you, or what's new?
So, Alex, let's do a small example.
Okay.
Hey, Alex, what's up?
Not much, just enjoying my morning coffee. How about you?
Pretty good. I'm a little sleepy, but I'm okay.
That sounds very natural, very simple.
Yes, short, easy, relaxed.
And notice something important. When someone says, what's up, you don't need a long answer.
Yes, you can say, not much, nothing much, just working, just relaxing.
Perfect.
Okay, now let's talk about the most common question in English. How are you?
The famous question.
Many students answer, I am fine, thank you. And you?
Which is correct, but sometimes it sounds a little textbook.
Yes. In daily conversation, people say things like, I'm good, I'm doing well, pretty good, not bad, could be better.
Oh yes, could be better means not so great.
Right. So let's make a real-life example.
Okay.
Hey, Alex, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired, but good. I stayed up too late last night.
Oh no, what happened?
I was watching videos online and I said, just one more video, but then 3 hours passed.
That is so real. I do that too.
See? This is how a conversation grows. One small answer and then a story.
Yes, that's the secret. Don't just say, I'm fine, add one small detail. Instead of, I'm good, you can say, I'm good, I just finished work. I'm good, I'm excited for the weekend. I'm okay, it's been a busy day.
That small detail helps the conversation continue. 3. Making small talk.
Now let's talk about small talk.
Small talk is short, simple conversation about everyday things.
Like the weather.
Yes, the weather is the king of small talk.
So true. For example, wow, it's really cold today.
I know. I didn't expect this. Yesterday was so warm.
I had to wear my big jacket again.
Same here. I'm not ready for winter.
See? Very easy topic.
Other small talk topics: work, school, family, weekend plans, and food.
Oh, food is my favorite topic.
Of course it is.
So, Alex, what did you eat for lunch today?
I had a sandwich. Nothing special, but it was good.
Nice. I tried a new pasta recipe today.
Really? Was it good?
It was okay. I think I used too much salt.
Cooking is always an experiment.
Yes, and this is natural conversation. Simple questions, simple answers.
Now here is something very important. How do we keep a conversation going?
Good question. We ask follow-up questions.
Yes, if someone says, I went to the park, don't just say, okay.
Ask something like, oh really, which park? Did you go alone? How was it?
Let's practice.
Okay.
I met my friend yesterday.
Oh nice. Who did you meet?
My old school friend, Daniel.
Wow, how long has it been since you saw him?
Maybe 5 years.
That's a long time. How did it feel?
It felt great, actually. We talked like nothing changed.
See, now the conversation feels alive.
Yes, just show interest. That's the key.
You can also use small reactions like, really? That's cool. No way. Seriously? That's amazing.
These small words make you sound natural.
Another common daily topic is, how was your day?
Yes, very common.
So, Alex, how was your day?
It was pretty busy. I had a lot of meetings.
Oh, wow. Do you like meetings?
Not really. Some are useful. Some are very long.
I understand. My day was calm. I worked from home. I like quiet days.
Me too. But sometimes quiet days feel a little lonely.
That's true. Humans need connection.
And that's why conversation is important.
Exactly.
Let's talk about agreeing and disagreeing.
Yes, very important in daily conversation. To agree, you can say, I agree. That's true. Exactly. I think so too.
And to disagree politely, I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but I don't really agree. Maybe, but
Let's try.
I think winter is the best season.
I see your point, but I prefer summer.
Really? Why?
I love the sun and going to the beach.
That makes sense.
See? No fighting, just sharing opinions.
That's how real conversations work.
Now let's talk about saying goodbye.
Many learners only know goodbye.
But in daily life, we say, see you later, see you soon, talk to you later, catch you later. Have a good day.
For example,
Okay, Alex, I have to go now.
no problem. It was nice talking to you.
You too. See you later.
See you. Take care.
Very natural, very simple. Okay, everyone, let's do a quick practice. I will say something, and Alex will respond naturally. Hi, Alex. How's it going?
Pretty good. Just finished work. How about you?
I'm great. I'm excited for the weekend.
Nice. Do you have any plans?
Not really. Maybe just relax and watch a movie.
That sounds perfect.
See how easy that was?
You can practice like this every day.
Talk to yourself. Talk to a friend. Even talk to your pet.
Yes, your dog will not judge your English.
Exactly.
Remember, daily English is not complicated.
It is simple. Short sentences, real feelings.
Ask questions. Show interest.
Add small details.
And most important, don't be afraid.
We believe in you.
Yes, we do.
If this video helped you, please like this video.
Comment below and tell us what is one sentence you use every day in English.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Speak English Smarter channel for more simple and natural English lessons.
We post new videos to help you speak confidently and comfortably.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us.
See you in the next video.
Take care and keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.